How to add stickers in GoPro Quik. First of all, open app and go to the studio section. Select the video you want to edit and tap on Let's Go. Once the automatic edit is generated, tap on Edit to make changes. Scroll through the editing tools and select the stickers option. From here, browse through the available stickers and choose the one you like. You can resize, rotate or move the sticker to place it exactly where you want in your video. You can add multiple stickers to make your video more fun and engaging. Adjust their timing so they appear at the perfect moment during your clip. After you are done adding stickers, preview your video to ensure everything looks good. Finally, save your edited video to your device or share it directly on social media. Now you know how to add stickers in GoPro Quik. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.